Hello everyone, welcome to my page here. I want to tell you about a good opportunity to make money online without hardly any work or doing anything at all. You're going to make, to start, $20 for signing up and becoming your own customer. And that's going to be with a company called Enjeo. This is where you do that at, and you'll find yourself on this page shortly. You just sign up and get started earning today. Now, once you get in, you're going to be into an account like this here. And this is the goal, to have it look like this here. The affiliates is going to give you a link right there that you will send people to a page just like this page over here. All right, so then when you get in here, I want you to go to this link here, and I want you to go down past the first two identity protections and either pick roadside assistance, realty listings, public reports, or credit monitoring. They are all $1 a week plans right there, those 4 plans right there. If you pick the roadside assistance, you'll be presented with a page that looks like this here. Now, what you need to do is you need to have another email address when you get to this page to list on this account. This is going to be your mini plan account or your customer account, because you're becoming your own customer. So you put your information in there, and you put the new email address in there, and you hit continue on that page. You'll be presented with another page to start your mini plan, to start your subscription to that mini plan. They will start taking $1 out today, and within 24 to 48 hours, you will have your money deposited back in your account over here, because that is where you're going to list your account, which is your bank account. I've got the credit union account in here, got the routing number. It's a checking account, and I've got the checking account number right there. So that money is going to be paid $1.15 to $1.25 back in that account. All right. So this is why, if you have a debit card that's attached to that account, when you sign up over here with that debit card, they take the money out of the same account, the same checking account, and it's going to be $1 charge. For every $1 charge that they take out once a week for a month and so forth, you're going to receive anywhere from $1.15 to $1.25 back in that account. And that's a really easy way to keep track of it. You do 10, and you should have 10 deposits back in your account to account for those 10 that's been taken out. But you know, every month, 4 will come out, 4 deposits will go back in, anywhere from $1.15 to $1.25. So this is one way that you make money, and the other way that you make money is just by becoming your own customer in here. So I hope this has been helpful, because this is all you need. Thank you.